Hello and welcome to K1 Repair Center. Today I'm going to show you how to change the joystick on the Nintendo Switch Lite. These the customers say is working, but it's ticking, it's not running correctly. So let's have a look. Yeah, you can see if I tap it, it's not running. That one is not work at all. Yeah, it's working, but it's not. You can see it's like a glitch. It's not doing it. What to do is, so let's start it. Turn off first. Just clean this screen. It's easy enough to do it at home yourself. You can buy the parts from online. So let's cover it, the front, that we not get any scratch on the display. If I find it, where is it? Okay. Okay. Voila. So let us start it. I'm using that one to put a little bit up because of them. If I put it here, I got all this movement there. You got these screws, and the screws need to open them. You can send it your device to us for repair as well, if in case you think you are not able to repair by yourself. Just go to the k1repaircenter.com and fill the form, include the form with your device and send it, and we go from there. So let's open that screws here. We don't want to lose them. There's no game in there, no memory card here either. When you take the repair in, just recommended to have a check if everything work fine before you start to opening it. So we are going to, from this side, here is a little bit tricky, it's holding down, it's a little bit more lifted up. Okay. Careful for here. Here is sitting the flex for the volume. There you go. That's what I mean. So put that one in the side. If you need to take that main board completely out, and that one is a B board as well, completely out. You got few of them. It's a gold. I call gold screws. Is longer from the other one, and especially this side you got the other screws that is much longer from the other one, just to put in the right position that you not mix them up. So we are going, but the rest of the screws is all the same. Open the screws here. You should have one there, not that one, and it should be one more somewhere there. So you see, this is the, what I say is a longer. If you compare with that, this one there, you see this is the longer and it's a little bit goldy color. So what I personally do, I will mark it there, and I prefer you should do it as well, that you know these screws are different from other ones. So it's careful, take it that one, careful for here because it flex there. We don't want that flex damage here. put it on the side, and I'm going to disconnect that volume power flex. Just lift it up the lip and take it out. Put it on the side. That one I'm going to do it first. This side I'm going to do it first. So disconnected the connection. For that flex here, go from there to here. And if in case you don't have a backlight, sometimes this is the damage. This is the backlight there. And if it's sometimes you don't have a backlight, maybe this flex is damaged and it's not working. However, I'm going to disconnect that one from here and disconnect the battery firstly. Okay, battery is disconnected. Now I'm going to carry on with this side. Okay, backlight disconnected, and this is the joystick cable. This is the what is actually is going there. It doesn't matter, they don't have a left or right, they are fit both sides. It's just a different way how to do it. Disconnect that one, disconnect that one. This is the speaker cable. Disconnected that one, so you don't need to open that, the screws there, just that one. This is longer. This is the like a gold. Let me do it that there, and we need to open the bottom bit. No, you don't need to open that one either. So that one should come out. Okay, this is out, the speaker front side. So this is screws there and this is screws there. They are very much longer from any other one. I'm going to show you. So if you compare to other one, you can see, one second, so you can see this is the goldy one. Is long. This is longer from all other one. The two only in this one that here is longer. Only got the, I think as soon as I know is 2 screws that here is longer, but rest is all different. This is the gold again. I'll put there. I'll put that one circle that we know. So we got gold screws here. Need to take that one out as well. Oh, where is the spring? This is the funny. It should be spring there, and it's not there. It should be there. It should be a spring between here and there, and is missing. Is nothing there. I have not seen anything flying around. No, okay, it's missing, or I don't think I have in stock. However, it's not something that is affecting the function, but it should good to have one. They open that one again, gold one. Let me do that one as well. So that is coming up. Okay, now we got 2 screws there. 1 and 2. So push up a little bit with an angle and take it out. You can actually clean them. Man can clean inside, and that's work, but honestly it's too much hassle, and there is the reasonable price of that you can get them and replace it. So okay, put that one back in right way. How you take it the other one. Okay, put the screws back in. This side is a little bit easier from other one. This side is need to take it, hold the main board, and it's got a lot to do. So very good, this is done. Now we are going to put it, let's have a look, is any spring? No, is nothing there. Lift that one up, put that one in the right position. Okay, it screws back in there. Back there as well. So is this, no, this was missing. Okay, you see it's still is working, you know what I mean. It's not something that is, it's good to have, but if in case you lose it, because they are very easy to lose, but with that one is not, was already in. So put that one in the right. Okay, this is a little bit tricky now. Okay, yeah, put the screws back in there, the longer goldy one. Two long screws here, the longest one there. Okay, speaker back in, just a little bit wiggle it around. That is sitting nicely in tight and nice inside. So we go with the screws, we're connecting back the flex in. Okay, backlight, and the main flex cable in there, and the speaker. Okay, so this side is done. Now we did this side. Everything need to take it out. Unfortunately, this is the way how to do it. I'm going to take it out first, the heating pad. So remove that one carefully. Okay, put it inside. Disconnected the area cable. Careful with that one, do not pull in, we don't want to damage them. Okay, disconnected the reader. The screws is the same as screws, it's not something different from other one. But this side has been opened before because this is screws there is around it. I think this is the reason it's missing the spring. However, it's not something I need to worry about it. Okay, just I left the screws there, lift up and slide it out, put it on the side. We are going to disconnect the fan flex. Okay, the fan screws are different. It's black, you cannot mix it with any other one. Take it out, the slide, don't pull it up because we don't want to damage that flex, just a slide on the side, put it on the side there. We got here the charging port screw out. We got the screws for the main board out. We got the joystick from this side. Let me disconnect all the connection first. Out. The touch and the LCD flex. Out. Speaker. Out. So I think this is the old. So we got gold here, 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 and 2 there. So yeah, you can see there is the spring is still here. Careful, we don't want to lose that one. That is what I mean. That is spring there. It should be one the other side as well, but honestly this is missing. Okay, gold screws here, gold screws there. So with that one you need to take the main board out before you're able to remove this speaker. Don't force it, don't pull it out. So we do it, one gold screws there, and it should come, if I done it everything right, it should come out. There's no force at all. We don't want to force it to take it out the main board. Okay. Just let me, sorry, it's just need to hold that one here like that to be able to take it out. So there you go. Put on the main one on the side, take the speaker out, same the other one, remove the jaw pad, and I just see the pad is stuck in the main board. Pull it out, new one in. Okay. Oh, 1 second, that is going to go like that there. Going there, yes. And say trust is good, control is better. Right position, little bit move it, that is sitting nicely in the place. 2 screws back in there, just have a look there. Remove that one, put it back in. Okay, so now we all put back all together again. Okie dokie, so it's now a little bit tricky because all the cables need to go away. One, so now we are starting to move the cable around. Come on, so okay, just a little bit to give a movement that is not moving and it's not hanging out or anything. Fix the board with one screws that is nicely sit in there, that is don't move later on. Okay, the charging port. screws the charging port, put back in. Speaker screws, main board screws, the gold one, long one. Okay, now I'm going to put that one back in there. Okay, perfect. Again, same the other side. I'll put it on, okay. Again. Yes. 2 goldy screws. 1 and 2. 1 screws down here. Okay, so now we are going to connect the flex back in. On this side. If you are working with the tweezers, careful you're not pushing it. Joystick. Nicely tight sit inside. Lock it. Speaker. Yes. The card reader. Why it's got so many screws? I don't get it. But it is the manufacturer. Come like that, and they all like to put hundreds of screws in. Okay. Okay. One, two. Let's have a look. We got everything. Oh, one more here. So we are going to put it back in. Slide it in again. Okay, this is not right. The cable is come out. Put the cable in the right position. That is not in the way. Try it again. No, it's not going down. It's this cable is in the way. No, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm taking the black cable out. So there you go. Put the fan in there. We don't want to tighten it too much. Hand tight. Not too tight. So and now put back cable in. Okay. We are going to connect them the aerial back in there. Be sure it's in the right position. We don't want to bend them or damage it. Okay, let's have a look. Now we are going to put it back in the heating plate. Just to let me have a look. Have I got done everything right? Yes, it's right. So I'm going to clean that one first. So they can put new paste. Okay, and this side as well. One and two. So let me grab the paste. Enough, not too much. Put it back in. Three screws back in. And the last one. So just if you are going to be sure that you have not missed the screws, we got here one long screws and four small, and we are going to match it here that we know we got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, it means we got one over, I think. Let's have a look. If I put that one, sorry, this way, like that, we got 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yes, it means I have somewhere, there's a long one, there's a short one, 2, that is the 3, and that is the 4. So I have one somewhere, forgot the screws to put it in. Let's have a look around. Where have I forgot? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have long one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. Sorry, my bad. I think I got it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got it now. But still one is the somewhere. This is the what happening, you know what I mean? This is the need to be done, and I'm not going to cut it or anything. Is the I can always do it the 1, 2, 3 Stück and 1. Yeah, I have four screws here. That is going 3 and one long one is going one long one there. And if I do it like that, you see 1 is a long one, 2, 3. So 3 screws I have is mean I have somewhere miss one screw, and I need to have a figure out where it was. That is the plate. That is the plate. That one is the plate, and that one is the plate. Let's have a look. I cannot find it. I have one screws over. Hallelujah. So let's have a look this side. Maybe I have opened from this side and I have not managed to put it all back in. Let's open that one. No, I'm sure I have done it. Yes, no, it's not. It's all good. So put that one back in. But one screw is different. One screw is very short. Maybe it's not. Was it already was there already? Oh my god! I cannot see any screws is missing. So we got 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, I got one screws over, and I have forgot to put the connected the fan as well. You see that? this is the happening. I should have really cut it on the start again, because in YouTube always people like to see the perfect videos, but human and can do it mistake. So let's have a look. Where have I forgot to put the screws? I have 4 here, I have 3 there. Okay, I'll find it. Very stupid thing. 1 screw was here missing next to that one. So we got it now, but all connected now. Checking it. Connect. Speaker, this is connected, so this 2 is connected. Now we are going to connect the battery. I bet you sitting there, he's going to say, it's there, over there, connected there, you know. But it's happening. So connecting, put back in the top plate. Okay. Just to be sure it's not catching somewhere and it's not going to damage any cable or anything. Yes. Screws back. Back there. And one more down there. And last one, the long gold one, is there. Okay, so I'm going to, oh yeah, power flex. The power flex go here and go inside there. This mean going down there. Nicely put in the right position. Yeah, this side is definitely being open because the flex is a little bit bent as well. So connected cable flex to the place. Okay. Lock it. So have a look again one more time. It's nice to all sit tidy down there. So let it turn it on. Now have a look how it's going with the new pad. Down, look at that. Nice and smooth, is working perfectly. Yes. So let's turn it off. Put the back plate. Oh, let me have a press A to continue. Yes. 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 Okay. Just want to be sure that one without the spring is okay and don't have any restricted or anything. So turn it off. Take it that one. So how I'm doing it, I first start with the charging port. Where the charger is connected there. And now this side, you need to lift it a little bit up. Don't push it, we don't want to damage it. Lift it up, let it go on the top. And now for the power flex volume, just to be sure you're not catching anything. Okay. It's not sit nicely in there. You can see the gap there. It means it's not. That one need to go underneath down there. Okay, so it's better now. Screws back in. They are not magnetic, unfortunately. It means you need to do it with the hand. Put it in and the screws down. Don't tighten them too much because it's very easily rounded. This side. I'll just turn it on by pushing the button. It's okay. On this side. So I'll put them new screws here. I'm not using the old one, I'm using the new one. That is a little bit bigger. Is let me use my. No, it's not right tools. This is the right one. No, it's new one. It's very rubbish screws. I'm not going to use a new one because it's shit quality. That reason, throw them away and go for the original old one. Okay. I want to be clever and say, oh look, we are using the new screws, but it was a quality so bad that it's not the point to waste the time, because you think about it, if in case need to be open and repaired for something else, you don't want to really round them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. It's all nice done, and I will turn it off now. Yeah. Okay guys, it's all done. If in case you need any help, drop the comment. I'll try my best to help you. They are no good, they are for, actually you can use them pad, you can take them out carefully, the old one. Actually no, you're not. No, you can't. I want to say maybe you can take them out and use for the new one, but they are actually go in. I have never done. I have the, some of them. Or where are they? Oh yeah, you see them here that you can buy separately and put it on the top them to go top here to give the bigger thing. But I have think if maybe you want one is damaged and you can put that one back in. Let's have a look. Yeah, actually yeah, you can. Yeah, no, it's a little bit bubbly. It's not the point. No, throw it away, get a new one. So it's all done. If you have any question or need help for the repair, please drop me comment or go to the K1 Repair Center and send me message. I'll try my best to help you. Keep safe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.